Vacuum.
EVA by ROIDMI is a self-emptying robot vacuum mop combo. It can hold dirt for up to 60 days. It also auto-dries its mop pads. In addition to the 3-liter dustbin, EVA has a 4-liter water tank as well as a 4-liter wastewater tank. The dust bag is odor-free. EVA performs quite well on tiles in addition to wood, and it is compatible with more surfaces. Of course, it avoids carpets when mopping. In fact, it has state-of-the-art anti-collision and anti-falling functionalities, the latter of which is to avoid falling off stairs, ledges, and so on. One thing worth mentioning is that this quiet robot navigates quite well even when it is fairly dark. On a single charge, you can expect more than a whopping 2,000 square feet of coverage. EVA redocks automatically when needed. You can control EVA with voice control, such as through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. And you can also control her through an app that is easy to set up and user-friendly. You may want to pre-schedule cleanings, for example. In summary, EVA is an excellent vacuum and a great mop. We will now leave you with unedited footage of EVA in action, and you will also hear her voice notifications. For the full written review, be sure to head over to rovacuum.com, a comprehensive database of robot vacuum reviews.
Positioning failed. Rebuild the map. Start building map.
Vacuum.